Kung mainit-init po yung basketball game, iinitin pa natin lalo yung inyong halftime because for this particular halftime, we have Ina Raimundo with the X-People.
Well, Ina, it's very nice again to see you here. What brings you here?
Yes, I'm here to promote my movie Masamang Damo, showing now on April 6th. That's why I'm here.
Okay, who's with you in that movie?
It's with Joca Diaz and Jessa Saragosa, Willie Revillame, Ellie Rose, Apple, and Gloria Sibilia Di Doroy, and a lot more. It's under RS Productions, showing on April 6th. So how are you, Anthony?
Well, I'm doing okay. I'm not doing a movie with you, so it's not that good. But then, talk to me about the movie. At least you can give these people out there, a little teaser about what to expect in the coming movie.
Yeah, ang Masamang Damo, it's an action movie and a love story also. So, si Joco Diaz yung Masamang Damo doon. Ako naman, newscaster ako dito na in love sa akin si Joco dahil idol niya ako. Sino ka nun?
Pero hindi ko yung masamang ganun dito.
Of course not, definitely not.
Okay, thank you very much. It was really nice having you here. Hope you'll come by whenever you have anything else to promote, whether it be a movie or whatever show.
Again, watch for Masamang Damo, showing on April 6th.
Okay, thank you.
Well, yan po si Ina Raimundo. Sabi ko na sa inyo, napakainit po. Well, we have another ball game coming up, third quarter in fact, right after these commercials. Kaya po, titignan natin kung kasing init ng basketball game ang halftime.